Yo, today I decided I was gonna make sweet potato hash. Let's get started. Yo, you see that I'm cutting up the sweet potatoes and I'm also adding some Yukon Gold potatoes to the mix as well. I'm cutting each of them real small into like half-inch chunks. I'm mixing them all together, adding some grapeseed oil and a seasoning blend that I kind of came up with to add to the vegetables. Now I'm cutting up a sweet onion and the bell peppers and jalapenos that I got from the garden. Let those sit for a second. Now it's time to add those to the pan to saute until they become translucent. Now it's time to add the sweet potatoes and potatoes. Let those cook down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Grating my own cheddar, adding everything back together. And guess what? Time to eat. Cheers.